Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting to the right sources and trimming noise. Link only the tables you need and set extracts to improve speed. Once connected, create a quick wireframe. Place a single, dominant KPI and 2 supporting visuals so viewers focus immediately. Next, clean columns, rename fields, and set data types. This avoids misaggregation later. Make sure to define joins and keys now. If joins are complex, build a clean staging extract. By doing these steps first, you save time downstream and avoid rework. Now you build the dashboard's core. Prioritize clarity by choosing the right chart for each metric and grouping related views. Once done, add interactivity, filter and highlight actions that follow natural workflows, test that clicks lead to expected results. Use consistent color palettes and limit categorical colors to 6 or fewer while reserving 1 accent color for alerts. Also set layout sizing early. If you need mobile support, design a mobile-first tiled order. Make sure tooltips are informative and hide unused legends to reduce clutter. Finish by validating every KPI against source queries so totals match exactly and edge cases are caught. Sample problematic rows if numbers deviate. Then polish the user experience. Craft concise titles, consistent font sizes, and clear axis labels so users understand context at a glance. Schedule extracts and set access permissions before publishing and monitor load times after rollout. If performance stalls, one troubleshooting tip: disable non-essential quick filters and replace them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.